Okay.
This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
There we go. Alright, boom. We good. Alright, man. We is back. Face clearing up a little bit more, but hey, we back. So, YouTube. Alright, man, as y'all boys can see, you know what I'm saying, we getting some 93 in that bit right now, because we are officially 93 tuned. We gotta hop on the road to go to Griff spot. We finna get some tires, because if y'all boys didn't know already, hold up, wait. My shit's a ball, bro, and I can't, bro. This shit is smooth, gang. Look, I can't catch no type of grip, bro, with my shit like this. So, hey, gotta get some tires, bro. We gonna go to Griff spot, bro. Griff is like an hour away, gang, and I'm not gonna lie, that hour cooking me. But hey, besides that though, the bill coming together smooth. Alright, man, as y'all boys can see, we on the road right now. We gonna be on this long straightaway, bro, for 37 hours, bro. So this about to be a long little drive, bro. So I'll just turn y'all on here and there, bro. Or I might just turn y'all on as soon as we get to the spot. I ain't gonna do really like no tweaking or nothing, because like I said, y'all seen it with y'all own eyes, bro. This shit ain't got no tread, bro. So I've been driving around with the new tune, bro. No tread. I really don't even know. Like, I know that bitch spin though, twin. I got videos of it. I don't know. I might put it in this video. I don't know. But I definitely done seen it, bitch. It spins. She spins overly. So that's the thing that made me go, hey, let me get tires, bro. And if y'all know, if y'all been living in, you know what I'm saying, Richmond, or just, I don't know, it's probably been the whole Virginia, bro. Bro, it's been raining overly, like every day. This is the first clear day I didn't see in a little brick. Oh my goodness, bro. I saw him here, right? I see him here. Bro, he sent the guy home literally like 20 minutes ago to like mount the tires, bro. I am so fucking sick right now, bro. I gotta drive back on these fucking slidey motherfuckers, bruh. So I gotta take this shit home. I gotta get another nigga up, but you can see it too. That shit gotta get fixed. But I gotta go take this shit back to the city. It's an hour drive. I am fucking heated. I am pissed, bro. Bro, when he said 4 o'clock, I'm thinking he's gonna be here at 4. He's gonna chill here till a certain time. Then he's gone. Like, I'm thinking he's gonna be here till like 8, 9 o'clock. You know, like on some like clock in, clock out shot like type shit, bro. Woo!
He's lame, cat. I was expecting him to backhand, but his thing, none. If he wanted to.
Alright, so look, this is what we finna do, right? As our boys can see, number one, the tires are secure, you feel me? Right? They don't, by the way, these are bigger. Them 40s, these 45s. So, I'm scared to see how that's going. Can I show y'all one more thing? Don't mind my car being a little dirty.
The car always dirty.
Hey, bro. We are now going Mobile One. We not doing the weak cheap oil no more, bro. They go Mobile One.
This is not a sponsor, by the way.
It's not. They need to sponsor me though. And then we go Mopar filter. You feel me? Gotta go Mopar filter. And shit, yeah, bro. I'm about to jack this joint up. Alright, YouTube. Oh shit! Trying to start the damn video, bro. Trying to start the video, but I done spilled this shit again, bro. I was finna tell y'all. So we pretty much that shit's hot as fuck. We pretty much just got the drain plug out. as y'all boys can see. Now we gotta take that bit out right there. I got a tool perfect just for that, bro. I ain't got time to be, even though I was the last person to put it on, so it shouldn't be overly tight. Like I had one dude do it when I did the motor swap or whatever. He did all of that for me, and bro, he put that mess on so tight I had to go actually buy the tool, that's a little crazy, but heck yeah. So let's go ahead and slide this. This shit's hot as fuck, bruh. Oh my god, that shit hot. All right, so what y'all want to do is, right, man, y'all niggas know how to change oils, but if y'all don't, think here to teach y'all, bro. So you got a drain plug, which is right there. You want to have something to catch it, obviously, like the pan. Unscrew the drain plug. It's gonna come out. Y'all see, it's almost done. Next step you want to do is hit that. Hey, Isaiah just scared the shit out of me, bro. Hold up, switch it around so y'all can see it. Just scared the hell out of me, respectfully. But what you want to do is, right, take that bit off right there. Also, when you taking that joint off, who the hell playing music? Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, just take that joint off right there, and then just make sure you got this right here, because if you don't got the pan right here to catch it, it's gonna be everywhere. So just watch out for that. All right, boom. That bit loose, as y'all can see. I can turn it with my hand. Now you gotta be careful with this, because this shit is hot as well. You feel me? That's if you didn't wait. Listen to this man. You hear this man, Isaiah? Oh, there you go. See, dripping. Give it a look. Damn. Twin. Where have you been? Put that shit just like that. Yeah, I hear Isaiah, right? This all Isaiah ass wanna do is just rev cars and shit. I get it. But damn, nigga. Alright. Y'all can see it. Just let that whole drip, and then once it's finished dripping, I'll show y'all what to do next. This not even a V. I would say this not even really the bad side.
The driver's side works.
And you said those is new?
No. The new ones is on that side.
Oh, these
Yeah, these ones solid.
Yeah, they taller than the ones I got on right now. It's gonna make the front
It's gonna sit
like one car. Yeah, it's gonna sit like one car.
Alright, y'all. So Dink done got done with the oil change. Car back on the ground. He putting the stuff in the car. Yeah. Look at him. Good monkey.
Shut the fuck up. Hold up. Hey, what my tag called? Hey, for all my people who be in my streams, y'all know, but they call Isaiah the man with the yellow Mustang. Crazy work, I know, right?
Look at him. He ready to go to a takeover now. Look at his slider tires.
Shut up, bitch.
Yeah. Slow bar.
Didn't I beat you?
Didn't you see my taillights?
Didn't I beat you the other day?
We was neck and neck.
You know he wasn't.
Yes, he was.
No.
We was neck and neck.
Bro, don't listen to Isaiah. He tagged.
We was neck and
He was
neck.
not neck and neck.
Want to run
I
it
got
again?
that
Want to do it again?
When?
Alright, so Dink give me the pull after the
They don't
tune,
pull this down
boy.
there, right?
No. Okay.
This shit is slipping, bro.
Yeah,
There's
that's
no tires.
Then it's rocks too.
Yeah, exactly. This
Watch
is
out for that pothole. Okay.
Trust me, this bitch will get even more raw, bro. But I'll drop you off over there.
Yeah, again. Slide the jumper, come on.
No.
See, he being green, Jay. He's scared.
If I had more bread, I would have did it.
I'm still whooping you though.
I don't understand why you even did this to yourself. This made you look so fucking stupid.
Alright, man, I'm finna get out this joint. Appreciate y'all boys for watching, bro. I got a little drive to go. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, so. Ooh, he's swinging in the dope. Oh, yeah. That nigga nigga getting crazy. Damn, this bitch pulling. Okay, we appreciate y'all boys for watching, man. I'm out. Love y'all boys, man. I'm out, man.